we're in sunny Mallorca. And the reason why we're in sunny Mallorca is because we wanted to bring these two beasts for a good old road trip and also enjoy some of the nice mountain roads and some of the nice driving roads that Mallorca has to offer. We done 1,000 miles in one day. It took about 14 hours to drive to Barcelona, and then we got a 7.5 hour boat from Barcelona to Port of Mallorca, and then drove to my very good friend's house, who's called Andrew, aka Drew. I'm going to show you around this lovely villa that we're staying in. It actually worked out cheaper for 4 of us to stay in a villa for 4 nights than it did for us to go to a hotel. We've got private access, a gate that locks. So we drove the Mercedes S-Class over. That was a rush. It had a really bad misfire. We ended up stripping half the engine, changing half the electronics. We got to the bottom of that, and that actually bossed it. It made it here one piece. And as you saw in the reveal, this is the BMW 335i drift car. Such a lovely piece of kit. It's wrapped. I attempted about 95% of the wrap myself. There's a couple of things I couldn't wrap, like the spoiler and the front bumper. I did give it a go. The other thing as well, there's a couple of things I need to do on this vehicle, which I will show you at some point. As you can see, the offset on the rear isn't amazing. Since I've lowered the car on the BC coilovers, I've got 2 degrees negative camber. So we are awaiting some adjustable camber arms for this vehicle so that we can pull the 2 inches back out. Also got 2 Willwood calipers that go on the bottom of the disc. It removes the standard handbrake, but it allows me to use the hydraulic handbrake on its own separate system. Other than that, we've got CNC 71 steering lock kit from Poland. We've also got IRP top mounts, like big adjustable ones. I'll show you a bit inside the car. So at the moment, I decided for the drive, I was going to leave it stock interior. We've still got to fit the 2 bucket seats, the harnesses, and a cage, a bolt-in cage. Steering wheel needs to be changed as well, but for comfort for the drive, I wanted to keep the interior standard. So I've got the IRP hydro handbrake here. It's T-pieced and braided lined all the way to the back, and in here is the pot to fill up the fluid, and that's the reservoir where the cup holder used to be inside the armrest. So that's where it's going to live. If I can screw the fucking thing back on. We've got Coolworks selector with lockout for reverse, lockout for 5th and 6th. These are really good upgrade. We've trimmed, I've still got to glue this panel on. The reason why I haven't glued this panel on is because the handbrake is under there, and when I bleed it up I want to check that it's not leaking before I glue that panel back up. We've got the MHD software running on this car. I think it's maybe pushing, I believe, around 500 horsepower. I've got to get it on the dyno. Also installed a Android head unit so that I can control the car on the MHD from here, look at all the values while driving. This is just so I could see, have my phone charged. These are really cool, by the way. Yeah, so it doesn't affect, doesn't hit the screen, nothing like that. There's loads of room, but I've got all my music on there. I've got all the car details on there, like the temperatures and all the rest of it. Yeah, got him as well. Love that. It's my lucky drifting mascot, Totoro. He always comes with me everywhere. It's been a while since I've drifted, really. I'm gonna give you a quick tour now of the villa. Swimming pool. This was packed the other night because we had a massive barbecue here. Got a barbecue area. So this is like the congregation area. You can't really eat here in the day because all the wasps, they fucking give it to you. Ants in the day as well. Yeah, this is the barbecue area where we have a barbecue. It's got a nice sink. This is the in the house. So as you walk in, it's going to be a bit dark. We've got living space area. Sofas is actually quite big in here. It's like a table where the clothes and filming equipment are, some food from earlier. This is the kitchen. Cool washing machine. You put your washing in, the flaps go down. This is now a washing review channel. The owner of the property gave us some fresh grapes and figs. We went shopping. Fridge review. So, holiday fridge review. Can't get the fucking freezer open. Ah, there we go, nearly knocked myself out. So we've got frozen bottles of water, Russian standard vodka. My fucking honey rum's frozen now. What are these? Like chocolate cornettos, more bottles of water. Let's have a look in the fridge. We've got, Darren loves his San Miguel, so he's got massive bottles of San Miguel. This is Mallorcan chocolate milk. Try that, that's amazing. Normal milk, bottles of wine and champagne, more San Miguel because Darren doesn't know when to stop. Tray of rabbit food. Some fruit, some meat. What else? Oh. Spanish dairy cheese for burgers. So what else have we got here? Let's have a look. So this is like the reception. That's the front door that we never use. This is when you come in. Big open space where you can sit down. Staircase upstairs. You've got a bathroom here with one of those things that washes your ass. Toilet, shower. Another bedroom through here. This is where I've stayed for the evening. Fans on. The actual first night we were here, there was like a gecko on the wall that we had to get. Oh, mate, obesity does not do me proud. Here's another bathroom. Massive bath. Another one of those arse washer things. You could probably fit like, I don't know, one of me or 3 skinny bitches in there. What else have we got? We've got a spare room here. There sleeps a lot of people. One spare room. My friend actually stayed here the other day. Another spare room. Big old rooms. And another spare room with a cot. That's obviously where Darren sleeps. This is the balcony. Now look at this. Look at this view. Such a lovely place. Pool down there. Darren and that are in the pool. Cars are sitting down there loving life. Darren wants to swim naked. Raise a leg. Oh yeah, fuck me, that motherfucker's flexible. We've got Kazakhstan style TV here. Yeah. Back into the house. I'm gonna get my trunks on. I want to go for a swim for a bit because it's hot. It's about 34 degrees today. I kept a t-shirt on for decency. If you want to see that stuff, then you've got to subscribe to my OnlyFans, which I don't have yet, which I may do. I don't know, I'm not going to do OnlyFans, I'm joking. Yeah, it's nice and peaceful. Apart from the cockerels are broken here. They start mooing about 2 AM. There's a donkey, there's some dogs. So I'm just at Drew's house. Lovely sun trap of a house. He's got fucking palm trees as well. This is lovely M4. I went and scouted this in the UK for him probably about 4 years ago. Just running out of warranty. It's got MHD, DCATs, all the rest of it. It's an absolute beauty of a car. Sounds amazing. He's going to take us up some of the finest roads in Mallorca. I think we're going to go and meet up with some other people. Just going to show you in Drew's garage his toys. Because I'm going to do, I've got a motorbike, got a CBR 600 at home. I was going to go out for a ride and show you guys basically what it's like. There's no lights in here. Oh, the lights automatically come on. This is Andrew's S1000R. I had a go on this last time I was over. This is good fun. It's a fast old bike. He usually puts his GoPro here on the handlebars or on his helmet. And this is his baby. I don't know if you can see, but it's in an air bubble. But this is Andrew's after. Oh wow, the waft that come out of that. Andrew, can you give me some assistance, please?
Yes, sir. What can I do for you?
So this is Andrew.
Hi guys.
Sea-Doo Master 5000.
Oh yeah, the Sea-Doo Pro.
Yeah, Sea-Doo Pro. This is his pride and joy. Unfortunately, I actually broke this car last time I was out here, so we had to get it put on a tow truck in the middle of the mountains for 2 hours, where I made fucking bow and arrows out of sticks and shit. It's an old car. The power steering line went, all the fluid went on the exhaust, and it decided to make loads of smoke. The paintwork is immaculate on this. Like it is a gem.
Some spare tyres there.
Oh yeah, we've got the tyres. Hold on, let's show you inside. The only problem with this car really is this dash. It's got a bit of a bubble here. If anyone knows how to sort that out without ruining the dash, let us know.
Preheat, hope for the best.
Yeah, seats are all mint. Low mileage. How many miles has this done? Kilometres?
Oh, about 15. No, about 116,000.
It's done about 116,000 kilometres.
Oh, that's 110.
110. And all the spoiler, there's no rot on this thing. It's mint. Mint, mint, mint.
Right.
We brought some tyres over. Some Zattinos. This is what we run as standard on the BMW, front and rear. We run a hard compound on the front and a medium compound on the rear. They actually last forever. We've got the infamous Halford's advanced toolbox.
So you got, yeah, this is just the Pilot Sports.
Oh, they Pilot Sports for your BMW?
Front of the Beamer and Cup 2s for the rear.
What?
The reason why, because I was given these. These are brand new.
Oh, you was given the Cup 2s brand new?
I've been given those by a very good friend of mine who had an M2 and then he sold it and then no longer required the tyres.
Hold on, isn't he getting his M2 back?
He is actually, yeah.
That will
So
be an
perhaps I should,
absolute fat video. We
yeah.
should speak to him.
Should I remind him that I have his tyres?
No, don't remind him you've got the tyres.
See what people think.
Should he remind him that he's
Should
got
I
his
be
tyres?
honest
How
and
much
give
are they
them back?
each?
They're not that bad actually. They're probably between 250
Two
euros each.
for a tyre.
It's not bad.
And why have you got to change your tyre?
What did you do last night? Oh yes, he went skidding around the roundabout, didn't he?
What, in your M4?
Yes, he did. He did, yeah.
That was good fun.
Thanks for that.
That's fine. I think the black lines are still there, aren't they? Like 4 weeks later.
Yeah, they are. They're good.
Oh, talk about this photo, Drew, on the wall.
All right, so.
Oh, there's a couple of photos actually. What's this one here? Of?
Well, if you can see over the seats, that's a boat that we have for charter.
Because you charter boats,
yeah,
don't you?
It's my father's boat. It's pride and joy.
Miss Kate.
Yeah, Miss Kate.
This is
a
Miss Kate.
Princess 23.
It's a lovely boat. We've got some
Lovely
good
boat,
memories
yeah.
on there, haven't we?
Yeah, it's a good boat.
And then we've got this. Explain the GTR and the Lambo.
Picture frame was made up for me by a friend of mine who rented this. He came over here and these were available for rent here on the island. They're not anymore.
And the GTRs used to be for rent as well, didn't they?
That was my GTR. And this was a rental. They did have some GTRs for rental, but since after everyone kept crashing them, they removed them from the list.
What company was it?
They were very cheap.
What company was it?
I think a Europe car.
Europe car. And how much were they? Were they like
off-season 150 to about 300 a day, so it's pretty cheap.
150
When you consider
to
that
300
C-Bob costs 300 euros a day to hire.
Yeah, so they've got these electric things that you put in the water and you hold on to and you can go underwater. They're 300 euros a day to hire, but the GTR is cheaper. I think I'd get a GTR instead. Right, I think we better load up then and go for a drive. So we're going to go and drive some roads now, go up in the mountains and have some fun.